Stop on by to the Wolf Den to get all your white polo tees for $35 and headbands for $10. What are you wearing, Des?
I'm wearing the quarter zip for $35 and the soccer pants for $30.
Nice.
Hi, Jake Schooler here, senior at LHS. Today I'm wearing the brand new Sherpa for $40 and the brand new WR Palm hat for $18.
Hi, I'm Des, and I'm wearing the pocket t-shirt from the Wolf Den, and it's $15. The fanny pack, which is $10, and the squirt water bottle for $7.
Hi, my name is Dwight Marsh, and I'm wearing these $5 sunglasses, $18 hat, $15 scarf, and these $10 biker gloves. But they're also double Edmonds.
Hi, now I'm wearing the Flex Fit hat, which we also have a snapback version, and they're both $15. And then I have the gray crew neck, which is $30.
I'm sporting a red crew neck for $20, a bucket hat for $15, and a sick lanyard for $10.
Now we're wearing the baseball tee for $15. I'm carrying the Wisconsin Rapids tumbler for $7, and he's got the duffel bag for $30.